Good morning, engineer. My name is Romel Avila, and with my partner Bryam Parra, we present the integrated project. This project has a three-layer substrate, cabecera, puente, and principal. We present the header of the project, implements all libraries, and the parameters that we will use. After, this will present the functionality class, where the methods to be used in the programs will be implements. For example, the method pintar cara as we method to be able to paint the subtract figure, manipulate the pixels of the same one. And finally, we have the main class. We will execute to whole project. This is who take the mouse functions. We can draw the figure of the polygon on our video. To then we call the face method. The face method. In this method, which make to subtraction between different windows and obtain the shape of the figure. To this figure, thanks to the manipulating of the pixels, we can paint the background obtained. To finally take to the bitwise and to be able to put the image of the figure with our face on the read video, which can change things to the trackbar we have.
For the motion detection, the following steps will follow it. First, a conversion to grayscale was made to perform a subtraction and obtain motion. Also, as part of this step, a histogram equalization was performed to reduce illumination problems. Two methods were applied to the same window and equalize hist and acclime. As there is usually noise in the image, a method was applied to reduce it. The method used is Gaussian blur, with a kernel size of 19. Once the noise was eliminated, the subtraction was performed to have a record that movement was detected. To track the movement, we had to enlarge the area of the area that is moving. We applied thresholding with binarization to only paint with values greater than 50. Since there are sliding moments that are not necessary to detect. Morphological operations and the method investigated for tracking movement is the find contours that search the contour that has the subtracted image and save them. We calculate the width area of the image, and if it exceeds a certain range, it draws a rectangle in the area that moved. With who moments, we calculate the centroid of the trimmed area and the area that moved, and depending on where the centroid of the area of the moving the trimmed part, it will move until it finds the area where the centroid of the area of the movement is. Next, we will execute the program.